It's J Dubs back from Local Shopping to help you find some of the best holiday sales and deals. And Black Friday is here. And one place people may not think about for Black Friday is Aaron's Rent to Own. But they currently announced a very good deal for those looking to rent to own. You can get pre-approved up to $2,000 on TVs, appliances, furniture, and anything else they rent to own. But the big deal is there's no lease payments until January 2013. So if you go lease a TV or a furniture or an appliance in late November on November 23rd or 24th, you don't have to make that first payment until January. Now, talk to the people at Aaron so you know the exact date. You're getting basically a month free, at least 1 month. Note that these sales are going to be available Friday, Saturday, and Monday only. So this is a little different than some other retailers that just do these Black Friday sales. They're doing Friday, Saturday, and Monday. And stores will open at 7 on Black Friday for Aaron's. And if you're looking for an Aaron's in your area, I would suggest using Google Maps and just typing Aaron's and then your city, as I did Aaron's Raleigh, NC, and you'll get a listing of the Aaron's locations near you. Now, this could be very important to help you avoid the crowds at times, and note that there's a lot of locations in a lot of areas. So these are the Black Friday deals. Just note that you're going to be pre-approved for up to $2,000, and there's going to be no lease payments until January 2013, which could save people a lot of worries through the month of December. So if you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and please like the video on YouTube if you find it helpful.